I'm here today to tell you the different sounds of letter R in Spanish. So, as you know, the sound is totally different from the English sound. In the English sound, you produce it by curling up your tongue backwards and touching your upper palate, more or less in the middle. In Spanish, so you say ra, rat. In Spanish, the sound is produced in the ridge, in the upper ridge, between the upper teeth and the beginning of the palate. So, rrr, rrr, and rat, that is in English, is rata in Spanish. That is the sound you need to practice. So, try to stick your tongue between the palate and the upper teeth and try to produce the sound. Now, if this R is not at the beginning of the word, is not initial, it's in the middle of the word, it will sound softer or weaker. So in this case, only one R sounds like this. Araña, which means spider. Caro, which means expensive. So if you want to produce a strong sound within the words, so what you need is double R. So in this case, it is carro, which means cart. Here it says muerde. So here we have an R that is not accompanied by any vowel. It's a middle R, muerde, that is weak. Here we have two R's, one in the middle, one at the end. Both of them are weak. Perdedor. Here we have two R's. Initial R, strong. Middle R, weak. Raro, raro, which means strange. I don't remember if I told you that muerdo means bite and perdedor is loser. Okay? So if you combine it with a consonant, is the same as in Spanish. So here it is bravo, which means the same, bravo. And now I have to tell you, gracias. Thank you very much. So if you like my video, please thumbs up on like and follow me in my channel for more content. Bye-bye. Thank you.